Market profile analysis. A deep dive into understanding market structure. Introduction. Market profile analysis is an advanced trading tool that offers insights into the structure of the market and how price moves within it. Developed by trader Peter Stiedelmayer, this technique helps traders gain a comprehensive view of price distribution, value areas, and areas of high and low activity. In this detailed overview, we will explore the intricacies of market profile analysis and how it can be used to make informed trading decisions in the dynamic world of Forex. Basics of market profile. Market profile represents price distribution over a specific time period, often shown as a histogram. Time price opportunities, TPOs. TPOs indicate how much time price spent at specific price levels during a given period. Value area. The price range where a certain percentage, for example 70%, of trading activity occurred. Understanding the profile. Market profile visually displays market behavior and price distribution. Bell curve distribution. Often, the profile resembles a bell curve, where the highest activity is at the point of control, POC. High and low points. Identifying areas of high and low activity can help traders spot potential support and resistance levels. Building the profile. Market profile can be constructed for various time frames. Intraday profile. For day traders, constructing profiles for each trading day provides insights into intraday price movements. Weekly profile. Longer time frames, such as weekly profiles, offer a broader view of market structure. Value area and trading opportunities. The value area indicates where most trading activity occurred. Value area high, VAH, and low, VAL. These levels are used as potential support and resistance areas. Range breakout strategies. Traders can consider trades when price breaks out of the value area. Volume profile integration. Volume profile is often combined with market profile for a more comprehensive view. Volume at price, VAP, displays the amount of volume traded at each price level, providing additional insights. POC and volume. A high volume at the POC adds significance to that level as a potential turning point. Identifying key trading days. Identify days with unique market structures for more focused trading. Normal distribution days. Days with a bell-shaped profile suggest normal market behavior. Double distribution days. Days with two distinct bell curves may indicate potential trend reversals. Trading strategies with market profile. Develop strategies based on market profile observations. Trend confirmation. Confirm trends with profiles that show elongated shapes or directional profiles. Fade the extremes. Trade against price extremes, expecting price to revert back into the value area. Breakout strategies. Trade breakouts from value areas, targeting potential trend continuation. Limitations and continuous learning. Market profile is a tool, not a guarantee. Subjective interpretation. Different traders may interpret profiles differently. Adapting to market conditions. Profiles can change with market volatility or news events. Keeping up with changing market. Regularly analyze profiles to adapt to changing market dynamics and trading strategies. Conclusion. Market profile analysis is a powerful tool for advanced traders seeking a deeper understanding of market structure and price distribution. By comprehending how price moves within value areas and recognizing key support and resistance levels, traders can make more informed decisions. However, successful market profile application requires continuous learning, practice, and the integration of this tool with other technical and fundamental analysis. While market profile can offer valuable insights, it should be part of a comprehensive trading strategy, underpinned by prudent risk management practices.